In this video, you will see a demonstration of how to set a ramp on the Resmed Stellar 150. Ramp is a feature on the Resmed Stellar to set the duration of when the prescribed pressure will be reached. It allows pressure to increase slowly and gently, which makes it easier for your child to tolerate ventilation pressure as your child falls asleep. Ensure you are on the treatment screen. If not, push the monitor button that has the lung symbol. Scroll the push dial to set ramp. Push to select. The box will turn orange from dark blue. Adjust your ramp time duration as desired. The longer ramp time means that it will take longer to ramp up to the prescribed pressure. The shorter ramp time means that the pressure will be reached sooner.